Hey, real quick video on how to extract the Gladius Data.BEC and get to modding. Well, if you don't know how to get the BEC, it's really simple. You just mount your Gladius ISO and then copy the Data.BEC over and just shove it on your desktop or in a folder. You can do the same with if you for some reason wanted to mod any of the other files on there. And then what you're going to need is JimB's tools, which there will be a link to in the description. And then you need the newest version of Python, well, at this time, 3.85. Theoretically should work past that whenever the other versions come out, but this is the one I'm using and it works. And then once you have that installed, wouldn't hurt to restart your computer, but it's not necessary. You're going to need to open command prompt. You don't have to run it as administrator, but if you have issues, you can try that. And all you got to do is go to the tools you downloaded. Oh, I will say this. Keep everything in folders that don't have spaces in the name. It helps a little. Okay, so go into your tools that you downloaded, and you're going to find bectool.py, and you're going to drag that into command prompt, space, and then do -unpack. The command for doing this is very simple, because all you'll do is you'll drag in your script, then do -unpack, and then add in your data.bec folder that you took from your disk. Just drag that in, space, and then you need to add a folder for it to go into. For this one, I'll be using a folder called test, and then add a slash to the end of that so that it is final. If you don't add that slash, it'll put it in the folder before and you'll mess up everything. No pressure. Then you're going to need to add a name for a file list, not a location for a file list. So for this, we're just going to do filelist.txt. It can be anything. Don't add a space, just filelist.txt. If you do a space, you're going to have to add quotations. Just write filelist. And then enter, and you'll have started extracting the BEC. Repacking is very straightforward, and if you've figured it out this far, then you can probably figure out how to repack it whenever you need to.